All right, some breaking news coming in, and in some concerning news, the basement of a coaching center has been inundated and multiple students are fear trapped. In fact, rescue operations are still underway, is what we are being told. NDRF teams are at the spot. There are multiple fire tenders at the spot as well. Rescue operations are underway, but extremely concerning there that multiple students are trapped currently as the basement of a very prominent coaching center got flooded, got completely inundated. What exactly was the cause of the inundation is yet to be known. Of course, there were light to moderate rainfall in the national capital earlier in the evening as well. In fact, Senior Delhi Minister Atishi has also now tweeted. She says that there was heavy rain in the evening as far as Delhi is concerned, and news coming in of an untoward incident in Rajendra Nagar. She says water filled in the basement of a coaching institute, and there are Delhi Fire Department and NDRF teams at the spot. She says the Delhi mayor and a local MLA are also at the spot. She is taking updates of the incident every minute, is what she says. In fact, what our reporters on the ground are telling us is that Bansuri Swaraj, the Delhi MP, is also likely to reach in just a short while from now. But very concerning, multiple students are fear trapped at the basement of this coaching center in Rajendra Nagar. Now remember, Rajendra Nagar, for those of you outside Delhi, is a coaching hub, is a UPSC coaching hub here in the national capital. Thousands of students from across the country, those who are preparing for the UPSC examination, have their accommodations here at Old Rajendra Nagar. And this very unfortunate incident, some deaths are also feared, though of course that cannot be confirmed at the moment. What we are being told is that total 5 fire tenders are at the spot as we speak. In fact, eyewitnesses have also said that multiple students are fear trapped inside and search and rescue operations are underway. Now remember, as I said earlier as well, there was heavy rain in the evening as far as Delhi is concerned. In fact, there was very heavy rain in some parts of the national capital. That may have led to the basement of the coaching center getting inundated. But what exactly is the reason, that will be ascertained later. The focus very much right now is on the rescue operations, given the fact that multiple students are fear trapped. At least 3 students are fear trapped, is what we are being told at the moment. And this as water entered the basement of the coaching center. There are multiple coaching centers as far as Rajendra Nagar is concerned. Again, just to reiterate for our viewers outside Delhi, that this is one of the most prominent coaching hubs in the national capital. Thousands of UPSC aspirants stay here. What exactly is the extent of the incident is of course yet to be ascertained, but what I'm being told right now is that multiple top leaders have started reaching the spot as well. In fact, BJP Delhi President Virendra Sachdeva will also reach the spot in a short while, is what is the information that is coming in. But extremely concerning there, what actually happened is yet to be ascertained. But right now, there are multiple rescue teams at the spot. NDRF and fire brigade is at the spot. Multiple fire tenders were rushed immediately. There was a PCR call, in fact, that was received by the police there, that it was a drowning call that was received. I'm being told the police official statement is now coming in. Let's just try and listen in.
देखिए, आज करीब 7 बजे शाम को हमें इंफॉर्मेशन मिली कि राजेंद्र नगर एरिया में एक यूपीएससी कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूट है जिसका बेसमेंट पूरी तरह फ्लड हो चुका है एंड ये पॉसिबिलिटी है कि इसमें कुछ लोग ट्रैप हो रखे हों। एज यू आर अवेयर कि इवनिंग में हेवी रेन्स हुए थे यहाँ पे और उसके कारण रोड पे भी वाटर लॉगिंग था काफी, और एडजॉइनिंग कुछ बिल्डिंग्स में भी वाटर लॉगिंग था।
भाग्यपूर्ण है और आम आदमी पार्टी का भ्रष्टाचार अब बच्चों की जिंदगी लील रहा है। ये दिल्ली में लगातार 4थी-5वीं घटना है, लेकिन ये भ्रष्टाचारी सरकार नींद से नहीं जाग रही। इनको सिर्फ सत्ता का सुख भोगना है। आम आदमी पार्टी का कोई आए नहीं, किस मुंह से आएंगे? स्थानीय जनता कह रही है पिछले 10 दिन से लगातार इनको गुहार लगा रहे थे कि ये नालों की सफाई कर दीजिए, घरों में पानी घुस रहा है, सीवर ओवरफ्लो कर रहे हैं, लेकिन इनको सुनाई नहीं करनी। इनको सिर्फ पैसा है, इनको सिर्फ पैसे कमाने से मतलब।
माननीय विधायक दुर्गेश पाठक जी को स्थानीय जनता और भारतीय जनता पार्टी के कर्मठ कार्यकर्ता बार बार बोल रहे थे कि नाले की सफाई करवाई जाए, डीसिल्टिंग हो। अगर नाले की सफाई उन्होंने करवाई होती ना तो आज ये नहीं होता। आप देख रहे हैं 2.5 से 3 फुट पानी है रोड पर और वही पानी जाकर पूरा का पूरा बेसमेंट में भर गया है। कहा जा रहा है कि कि डाइवर्स को जाना पड़ रहा है। अगर डाइवर्स को जाना पड़ रहा है तो आप सोच सकते हैं कि बेसमेंट की हालत कितनी ज्यादा गंभीर है। कहते पूरा का पूरा फर्नीचर फ्लोट कर रहा है। ये भी खबर आई है कि कुछ बच्चों की जान चली गई है इलेक्ट्रोक्यूशन के कारण और ड्राउनिंग के कारण। इन बच्चों की मौत के पूरी तरह जिम्मेदार माननीय मुख्यमंत्री अरविंद केजरीवाल जी, उनकी निकम्मी सरकार और उनके निकम्मे विधायक माननीय दुर्गेश पाठक जी।
BJP chief Viren Sachdeva at the spot. Our camera person Prem Singh is live with us. He's getting us these live visuals from the spot as we speak. And in fact, if you can ask our camera person to pull out and show us those visuals there, because multiple fire tenders are at the spot, and there you can see the kind of chaos, and in fact water is being pumped out as we speak. That certainly is the effort at the moment, given the fact that you have NDRF, SDRF teams at the spot. You also have the fire department team at the spot as well. And in fact, if you can go full frame on these visuals to show you the extent of the water logging. In fact, as the official was also pointing out, that there was heavy water logging as far as these roads were concerned, and some of the and the water also entered many of the buildings there, and these are all coaching institutes. As I said, that Rajendra Nagar is one of the UPSC coaching hubs here in the national capital, and there are multiple buildings next to each other, and there are visuals of ambulances at the spot as well, top Delhi police officials, and it's clear that right now the focus very much is on pumping the water out, given the fact that a lot of that water entered the basement of this coaching institute building, that now for the rescue teams to be able to rescue the students who are likely to be trapped there, it's important for the water to be pumped out. Which is why that is the exercise that is on. And as Prem Singh is showing us there, this is a coaching institute building where there is this water logging and inundation there at the basement. At least 3 to 4 students are at the spot. Are trapped inside, in fact, is what we are being told. And as Prem Singh continues to show us those visuals, look at how the water is being pumped out. Many larger questions, of course, will be raised on the complete infrastructure collapse. And as Bansuri Swaraj was pointing out as well, the desilting of drains that has not happened. Drains continue to be clogged across the national capital, and that is, of course, among one of the primary reasons why we see water logging year after year. Look at the extent of the water logging and look at how the water is being pumped out. Multiple students are trapped, is what we are being told. No reports of deaths officially confirmed as of now by the police or the officials on the ground. But as you can see, there are ambulances present there as well, state rescue teams, the national rescue teams, NDRF teams, all of them present there. In fact, a heavy deployment of police as well. Extremely concerning there how the basement got completely waterlogged, and you can imagine the extent of waterlogging if a death by drowning is what is being reported. Though, of course, as I said, and just to reiterate, that is something that has not been confirmed by the police yet. We are yet to get an official police statement if there is any casualty. But of course, right now the search operations are underway. You have the NDRF teams trying to rescue those trapped students there. Leaders of the Delhi government have arrived there. Not the Delhi government, but the BJP, in fact. You had the Delhi BJP chief and BJP MP Bansuri Swaraj there blaming the Aam Aadmi Party government. But of course, this is not the time for political blame game, because right now it is about the lives of those students who are trapped inside the coaching center. My colleague Tanushka is also joining us live on the phone line. So Tanushka, what the police official just said is that there are multiple students who are feared trapped. Do we know the exact number of students who are trapped at the moment? Tanushka, if you can hear me.
Yeah, I can hear you now.
Go ahead,
So, yeah,
Tanishka.
what we know right now is that, of course, this is a massive mishap that has happened. Many students are stuck due to rainwater that collected in the basement of this UPSC coaching site. This is Rouse IAS Academy in Rajendra Nagar, and search operations are going on. And at the basement, there is fire department also that has been deployed. The initial info that we have right now is that one body of a girl student has been discovered, and according to eyewitnesses, 6 students are suspected to be trapped in the basement of the coaching center. There are NDRF forces present. The fire brigade teams are on the spot. Relief and rescue operations are underway. So what we know is that, this basement of this coaching center got flooded apparently because of rainwater, and the children are still stuck and trapped there. There were calls received at the NDRF department as well as the fire department at around 7 in the evening, and we have information from the fire department as well. There have been rescue calls that have been made. Total of 5 fire tenders were rushed to the site, and the basement is still full of water. What Harshvardhan, DCP Central Delhi, has also said is that, this happened because of heavy rain in the late evening. All rescue operations are underway. Until now, one body of a female student has been found. We know there are also political reactions that are coming in. There is of course, Delhi BJP president present out there with MP Basari Swaraj at the spot, and they've said that the area is flooded due to waterlogging, and Atishi has also taken to social media platform X, as well as Swati Maliwal have also, commented upon the issue, and they've said that whoever is responsible will not be spared. This is currently under investigation, and rescue operations are underway. There are still a lot of teams and forces that are deployed at the spot. Water is also being taken out of the spot or from the basement. It's being taken out of the basement. So these rescue operations are still underway, and we are yet to have detailed information on this.